Good morning, class 7 children. Now I am going to teach you civics chapter number 8 according to your CBSE syllabus of August. Okay then, come here. Name of the chapter is Markets Around Us. You know the meaning of market. Market means where a large number of shops are gathered. That is called market. So now we will discuss about market. A market is where buyer and seller are involved in the sale and purchase of goods. It establishes a link between the producer and the consumer. Here two persons are the main points, like buyer, thus who buy the things, and seller, thus who sell their things. And topic number 1, weekly market. As we know that in our country there are a large number of weekly market. So now we will discuss about that. Point number 1, a weekly market is so called because it is held on a specific day of the week. We know that weekly market, it is arise once in a week. That's why it is called weekly market, and for this weekly market one specific day was given there. Point number 2, weekly market do not have permanent shop. In weekly market we will not get any permanent shop. Point number 3, there are thousands of such market in India. I already told you that in our country India there are a large number of weekly market. Point number 4, people come here for their everyday requirement. In weekly market people used to come for their everyday requirement. Topic number 2, shop in the neighborhood. Now we will study about shop in the neighborhood. Point number 1, there are many shops that sell goods and services in our neighborhood. As we know that nearby our environment, our surrounding, there are some shops are there, and for small things we can go there for buy. Like that shop are called neighborhood shop. Point number 2, we may buy milk from departmental store. We used to buy milk and other things from departmental store. Point number 3, these shops are useful as they are near our home and we can go there on any day of the week. This neighborhood shop that is near to our home, that's why for anything we can go there on any time. So now next topic is shopping complexes. You know about complex, that is huge building. Under their shops are having, that is called shopping complex. So now point number 1, there are many shops that sell goods and services in our neighborhood. Point number 2, in many urban areas we also have multi-story building with shop on different floor or mall. So that in shopping complex there is a large storage multi-story building. Next topic is chain of market. Point number 1, the people in between the producer and final consumer are trader. Point number 2, this trade is known as the retailer. Point number 3, the retailer could be a trader in a weekly market, neighborhood shop owner in the shopping complex, etc. Retailer we can call they are trader and they are weekly marketer also. Next point, market everyday. Point number 1, all market work in a space in a particular manner and time. All the marketer they used to do work in a space and in a particular manner. Point number 2, buying and selling takes place in different ways, not necessary through shop in the market. Buying and selling, that is only not from the shop. We can do this one from outside also. After this this point is going to be over. We however do not get to know about either the manufacturer or the seller involved in it. We don't know about some points, but now here I am closing this chapter number 8. So we will meet in next class. That's all for today, class 7 student. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.